Okay, students, I'm just going to make an example of a possible conversation. Okay, I don't want you to try and copy this, but I just want you to use it as a kind of example. Alrighty, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi there,
Hi, I'm John Watson. What's your name?
I'm Kim Soyeon. Please call me Soyeon. Where are you from, John?
I'm from London, Soyeon, but I live in Seoul now. Are you from here?
No, I'm from Cheonan. It's about an hour from Seoul. I was born there, but I live here in Seoul. What do you do, John?
I'm a student at Seoul National University. My major is math, and I'm in my second year. Are you a student?
No, actually, a I'm a manager. I work at the bank here. It's a good job. How do you like your major?
It's okay, but it's quite difficult. Who do you work for?
I work for Shinhan Bank. It's one of the big bank.
So what do you do in your free time, Suyon?
I like hiking. I go hiking once a week. I usually go to Namsan. Do you like hiking?
It's okay, but I really like reading. I read 2 books a week.
Wow, that's a lot. You must know a lot.
Haha, perhaps. I like reading, but I also like animals a lot. How about you? Do you like animals, Soyon?
A little. I like dogs, but I don't like cats. Cats are difficult to raise. Do you have any animals?
No, I don't. I can't have animals in my apartment. How about you?
Yes, I have 3 dogs. So my house is very full.
I'm a big movie lover. Do you like movies, Soyon?
Yes, I do. I like most kinds of movies, but I especially like romantic movies. I like them more than action movies. How about you?
I like action movies best. I like James Bond and Marvel Comics.
Who do you watch movies with?
I usually watch alone. I like that more. How about you? Do you watch movies with friends?
Yes, I have one friend who really likes movies. We watch together.
That sounds good. If you see a good movie, let me know.
Oh, what's your favorite food, John? Do you like Korean food?
Yes, I do. I find it delicious and healthy too. My weight is much better now. And you, Soyeon, what kind of food do you like?
I like most kinds of food, but I especially like Italian food. I eat it about once a week.
Sounds good, Soyeon. Let's eat some Italian one of these days.
Yes, let's do that. Can you tell me, John, what your daily schedule is so we can make a plan? I usually wake up quite late in the morning at about 11 a.m. on Saturday, so it's best to eat dinner.
I usually wake up late, too, on weekends. On weekdays, I get up at about 6 a.m. because it takes a long time to go to school. So dinner would be best for me.
Okay, let's do that then. Can you tell me about your usual daily routine? What do you usually do in the morning?
As I said, I get up at 6 a.m. and then I take a shower and eat breakfast. Do you eat breakfast?
No, I never eat breakfast because I like to sleep. What do you after you eat a breakfast, John?
I take the subway to the university. It takes about 1 hour. I get to the university at about 8:45 a.m. for lectures. Do you take a subway, Soyan?
Well, Cheonan has a train connected to the subway. I take that to work. It takes about 30 minutes. I work until 7 p.m. and then I go and do yoga.
Wow, that's interesting. Are you good at doing yoga?
Not very well. but I'm okay. What kind of exercise do you do, John?
I can play tennis. I love it. I play every weekend. Can you play tennis, Suyan?
No, I can't, but I can play badminton, which is kind of similar. I play with friends on Sunday evenings in the park. I really enjoy that. How can we communicate? What social media do you use?
I use mostly Kakao these days. Everyone uses that in Seoul. I also use Facebook a little. Do you use Kakao?
Yes, I do. But I mostly use Instagram. But we can use Kakao to send messages. Can you drive, John?
Yes, I can, but I don't have a car in Seoul. So I mostly use a taxi. How about you?
I don't drive either, but I do have a motorcycle for going short distances. I'm so sorry, John, but I have to go now. I have an appointment with my best friend.
Oh, that's okay. I also need to go. Let's have some Italian food sometime and also maybe play some badminton. Can you teach me how to play?
Well, I can try. Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Soyeon. Take care. Bye.